What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am Brian and I'm here today with another Chrome Hearts video to show you the difference between the regular size paper chain and the large size paper chain. Now, if you're new to this channel, I do have a number of other Chrome Hearts videos that you can check out. One that talks about the Las Vegas and Los Angeles store, and one that talks about the Honolulu store. I picked this paper chain up, it's 24 inches, at the Las Vegas store. Ballpark, it's about $1,000 chain. The price has probably gone up since I bought this a couple of years ago. And I love this chain. I absolutely love this chain. I think it looks fantastic. Just so you can kind of see, the clasp clips in and then there is a lock. I am 5'11", 215-ish pounds. I would say I have broad shoulders and a thick neck. 24 inches is kind of the sweet spot for me where I like my chains to hang. And you can see that right there. So this is the regular paper chain and I absolutely love this. I love to rock V-neck shirts. This is kind of it because my thing is jackets. So when I'm not wearing a jacket, I want to stay cool. And this really dresses up what otherwise is almost just like walking around in an undershirt. So I love this chain, but as the years went by, I really kind of wanted something a bit more burly, a bit more flashy. The large paper chain really interested me. And I bit the bullet and got this recently, and I am so happy and glad that I did. It's everything that I had hoped it would be, except for one minor issue, which I will go over. But let me take this off and kind of show you the difference on neck. There's also a huge weight difference as well, so let me tell you the weight of this. The regular paper chain is 1.5 ounces, and the large paper chain in a 24-inch size, so same size, much heftier, 4.1 ounces, so going on almost 3 times the weight. The connector for this is actually kind of a loop that opens up, so a little bit different. I find this to be much more secure once you can get it on, and in fact it's so precisely machined that there's a notch in the other side and you have to connect it on the notch side. If it's spun around, it won't actually connect and it won't disconnect, so you have to connect it on the notch side. But let me show you how this hangs and presents itself on my neck, and you will see it is just so much more substantial, so much more burly. I love this piece. I honestly would sell the other paper chain because I can't find a case where I would use this except for one minor issue. And that is during car week, I break out my Dom chain, my double cross pendant, and I absolutely love this as well. It's very showy, but for whatever reason, it only fits on the regular paper chain. So you can see here, it fits on this. It does not fit on the large chain. And as a result, I have to keep both of them. Now I'm never gonna rock both at once, but you can kind of see the difference. Let me take off the large one again so you can see the regular one with the pendant. And you can see there are situations where I might just want to rock this setup as well. This is a hefty setup. Chain with the pendant. The pendant weighs 3.5 ounces. With the chain, we're at 5 ounces. So an ounce heavier than the large paper chain. I'll be honest, I'm such a fan of Chrome Hearts. Really big fan of their jewelry. I think that's where the value is personally. I'm not so interested in the clothes just because of the price point. I'd rather buy the silver. Large paper chain, absolutely my favorite of the two. And hopefully you find that helpful. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you at the next one soon.